You slept, you ate, maybe even drank coffee. These simple things can have a huge impact on your health. So let's make sure you're doing them right. So, why does your body suddenly feel completely drained after 2 p.m.? Let's talk about it. Every day around the same time, your energy disappears. Your eyes feel heavy. Your focus fades. And your body feels like shutting down. The clock is approaching 2 p.m. Heavy, blinking eyes, slow typing fatigue. Coffee cup empty. Slumped posture. Sunlight fading indoors. The weight of exhaustion settles deep, blurring the line between fatigue and surrender. Each breath reminds us of the toll taken, urging a pause we too often ignore. Most people think caffeine fixes fatigue. But sometimes it delays the crash until later. Coffee machine close-up. Fast caffeine drinking. Temporary energy boost. Heartbeat fast visual. Sudden energy drop. Empty stare at screen. Another coffee refill. That quick snack may be creating the exact crash you're trying to escape. Sugar snack close-up. Energy rush expression.
Fast movement montage. Blood sugar visual metaphor.
Sudden fatigue drop. Brain fog close-up. Slow exhausted breathing. Your body was designed to move, not remain frozen for hours. Endless typing scene. Stiff shoulders close-up. Computer glow on tired face, sitting motionless, neck tension visual. Slow stretching attempt. Mental exhaustion expression. Sometimes your afternoon exhaustion. Dehydration you don't notice is simply your body begging for water. Dry lips close-up. Empty water bottle. Fatigue eye movement. Slow reaching for water. Water pouring cinematic. Deep, refreshing sip. Energy slightly returning. Your body remembers every hour of sleep you didn't get. Midnight phone glow. Clock showing 1 a.m. Exhausted morning wake up. Afternoon eye strain. Slow blinking fatigue. Body burnout metaphor. Emotional exhaustion shot. Sometimes your body doesn't need more caffeine. It needs circulation. Standing up from desk, stretching shoulders. Walking outside slowly, Fresh air inhale, sunlight on skin. Calm facial relief. Energy returning naturally.
Your lunch either fuels your afternoon or destroys it. Heavy, greasy meal. Slow, tired reaction. Fresh, healthy bowl.
Balanced nutrition provides the essential vitamins and minerals our body needs to thrive. This healthy meal fuels your body, giving you sustained energy throughout the day, but leave you feeling depleted. On the left, a balanced lunch with fresh salad, lean protein, and fruit. On the right, a typical fast food meal. The contrast is clear. One fuels focus, the other drains energy. Real energy doesn't come from stimulation. It comes from balance. Drinking water outdoors. Calm stretching. Healthy eating. Walking at sunset. Peaceful breathing. Relaxed smiling face. Body recovery symbolism. Your afternoon crash is not laziness. It's your body responding to how you treat it all day long. Sunset horizon glow. Calm, deep inhale. Peaceful facial close-up. Wind blowing softly. Walking confidently. Allow the light to guide your healing journey. In this peaceful moment, feel the transformation. Embrace the warmth of renewal and wellness.